going to do a quick tutorial video on the start to finish process on how to set up your account, how to fund your account, and how to connect to Endotech's auto trading. So it all begins with the partner link. You're going to share your partner link with anyone who wants to join your team and connect to Endotech's auto trading. It all begins with setting up the account. So we're going to go ahead and copy this partner link, and I'm going to log out. Now I'm going to paste that partner link, and we're going to go through the process of a new person getting started. And so very simple, you just put in your information. We're going to create a fake account here. I set up an email address just for this purpose. So we're going to do test Bit1 setup at gmail.com. I'm going to use a simple password here. And you see that it has requirements on special character and lowercase, uppercase, all that good stuff. Make sure you follow all of that. As far as phone number in here, we don't need to, you would normally come in here and you would choose your country. And you would come here and do the same. Choose your country, and then put in a phone number. Put in your phone number there, and we're just going to use a fake number for now. Okay, check the acknowledgement, and we're going to click register now. You can see here that it's going to send me a verification link to my email address. So we're going to come over here to the email. You can see welcome John Doe, verification required, and we're going to click verify account. Okay, that's done. Now we're going to continue to log in. And that email address again was testbit1setup at gmail.com. Okay, now we're logged in. And now that we're logged in, you can see now that this new user has their partner referral link as well. What you're going to do is you're going to come and you're going to scroll down here to Bit1. Just for clarity purposes, there is a connection to Tag Markets Forex Broker. This is not something that we're connecting to as a community, but it is available for those that may be interested in specifically in Forex trading. There is a 10 generation unilevel here, but the real power is going to be in the Bit1 crypto exchange. And so we're going to come over here and click register. You can either set up a new password or re-enter the password you used for your main account. We're going to click sync account. And the account is synced successfully. So we're going to close this. Now you'll see when you come back to your main page, you have a login option. And you can click here to go to login, or you can just go to bit1.com to log into your Bit1 exchange account. We'll go ahead and log in. Test Bit1 setup at gmail.com. Password. Slide this over to complete the CAPTCHA, and it's going to send me an email with a code. And you simply copy that code, paste, and log in. Now we are in the Bit1 account, and you can see the pop-up there to deposit crypto, which you can do from the pop-up, or you can log in at any time, and same thing, you just click on deposit and deposit crypto. And we click the X here, and you're going to select your currency. Most people are going to do USDT. That's what you're going to need to fund your futures account for copy trading, but you can also send Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Tron, and USDC, but ultimately it will have to convert to USDT. So we would, in this case, just select USDT. You then select your network, either the Tron network, the Ethereum network, or the Binance chain network. And a lot of our members are using Tron. If you're using Coinbase to purchase, you would use Ethereum, right? And you want to make sure you have the right network, and then you would copy your wallet address. You would then use that wallet address to send funds to your wallet. Once funds are in your wallet, you would then go to spot. So you go to balance and then spot. You would click transfer, and you will transfer funds from your spot account to your futures account, right? And so right now that futures account is not activated. So it looks like you would come in here and you would activate your futures account first. Then you would come to spot. You would transfer funds from your spot account to your futures account. We don't have any funds in here at this time. I haven't loaded this fake account, but you would transfer your funds to your futures account. Once your funds are transferred to your futures account, you then come up here to futures. You click on copy trading. And you can see here on copy trading, there are two strategies to choose from. You have Endotech's BTC Alpha, and you have Endotech's Ethereum. And you can select and pick either of these. So you click on copy now. You would decide how much funds you want to put into this auto trading strategy. You want to use fixed ratio. Fixed ratio means that you'll follow the exact trades as the copy trade account, and it allows you to compound. You would put the amount you want to put in based upon what's available in your futures account, and you would click I have read to the user service agreement, and you would start the copy trading. It literally is that simple. So hopefully this video will help everybody be able to quickly and easily connect your accounts, and we look forward to an amazing journey together.